How to install Huntington mobile banking app. So super easy, just tap get and then you will be able to install it depending on your phone version, either it's iPhone or um, touch or face ID. And it's easier than ever to do the banking on the go. You can just, of course, view your account balances, deposit checks, transfer funds, pay bills, locate office branches, find ATMs, contact representative. Get started with the app today. It can be free app, of course, but you need to have your account ready. All right, so if you're doing screen recording, that's not, but yeah, I don't have an account in this bank. I just wanted to bring your attention that you can use this app. And sometimes it's quite scary, to move your bank into the mobile phone. It's, you just getting adjusted that this is your bank, your money, you need to go to the office. Then probably you can try to do it on your laptop or computer, but then you figure out that, within your iPhones with the big screens and a lot of security like Face ID, whatever, it's just quite convenient to do the banking, to quickly see your balance, to do the transfer to one card or another, to make a payment on the go. So it's quite convenient, so try it out.